What a difference from this morning with all the fog. Now we can see right through again. Where's the fur baby going, Bella? Where you going, Bella? Taking a walk? Izzy and Gigi. Were you swimming in the ditch again? Gigi? Gigi, you going for a walk? How about you, Izzy? You gonna go after your baby? Gonna go after Gigi? Where'd Gigi go? And we did have Vixen wherever she went. Vixen must be on a walk too. Looks like the ditches are dried up from that rain. Let's see what it looks like over here. I know this is all still water. And lots of it. There's a big tree down in there. You see the roots. Plenty of water in this ditch. The dogs come in here and go swimming. That was a big long tree. There's another one that's down. Ah, there's Izzy. Not Izzy. Vixen. Vixen baby. And again, all this water. Nice. I don't know where all the weeds to. It's nice forest water. Forest and water. Oh, yucky water. Oh, there's a tire in there. Well, anyway, Izzy, no, Gigi. Hi, Gigi. Hey, Vixen. And there's Izzy. I was confusing my names. That's my girlie. Hi. How are you? What's the matter? Now, where are you two going? What are you two sillies doing? Where you going? Predominantly dried up ditch. There's a little bit of water, but not much. This is Mama and Baby. Gigi. Gigi, what you doing? Hey. No holes. No digging. Gigi. No. No digging. You want somebody to fall and break an ankle? I know you don't care. With that happy tail wagging. Yeah, Mama and Baby. And your lazy sister is home on the couch sleeping. And these two. Thank you! Now my friend from church, she's dropping off my booklets that we need for the upcoming month. I shouldn't say church, to Kingdom Hall. She's leaving them on the porch. Come here, Vixen. Vixen baby. Come on, car's coming. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah, my girlie. Hey. You keep away from that street with all these cars coming. Busy hour. Crazy dogs. Here's my lady friend at the other end of the driveway leaving. Nice of her to bring my booklets. Didn't mean to get the house in the video. Well, I'm going to end this video now. Avery should be getting off the bus soon. It's about that time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.